And in this bowl, this is Eric's little taste tester bowl because he's going to dinner tonight, which pisses me off, but that's okay. Hi, welcome to Mama Debz Kitchen. Today we are making...
What was that move?
What move? My hand on my hip? Slow cooker chicken chili.
Why?
Because it's like, what are we doing this month? Comfort foods. I mean, it's 80 degrees outside and I'm making chili, but it's not 80 degrees around the world where all my viewers are. I wish. Okay, so in the crock pot, I love crock pot meals. We have a pound of chicken and I just put in some chicken broth and cilantro. I started it early because my producer was a little late and I want to have this done in like 5 hours. So I'm going to cook it on high for 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours. Or you can cook it on low if you work and you have to leave for 8 hours. So there's 2 ways and I'll share that with you.
What about medium?
What?
What about medium?
There's no medium on a crock pot. You have worked with a crock pot before. You know. And I do have to say, the German chocolate cake that I made for Danny's birthday, well, Tori and I made it, was awesome. It was the best cakes that we've made so far. It was delish. So let's go. We have a pound of chicken. I just did a cup of chicken broth. I have a can of white beans that are going to go in there. I might put another can in. You know me, I always embellish. So, and then a can of salsa verde, green salsa. A can of green chilies. I am adding stuff. Okay, I'm not adding, this is not what I'm adding. I'll tell you what I'm adding extra and I'll add it to the recipe. This is a half a cup of heavy cream. I'm adding a lime to it. That wasn't on the recipe, so I'm going to add that.
Why are you adding it?
Oh my God. To give it just, I like a lime flavor when I make Mexican food. I'm going to put that in there. And this right here, and we're putting the whole lime in there, a whole juice of a lime, okay? Here I just gotta look at my measurements. A 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, it's mixed in there, and a teaspoon of ground cumin. Okay, so we're just gonna add that in there. Here I have a jalapeno seeded and chopped, an onion chopped, and 3 cloves of garlic chopped. I always do a little extra garlic because my producer's middle brother loves garlic. So I always add extra for him.
Is that not your son?
What?
Is that not just your middle son?
My middle son. I ruined you.
Thanks.
Well, sorry, you were my firstborn, and if I didn't like it, you didn't like it, and I really made you be picky.
So it sounds like it's your fault.
Yeah.
Yes, you did.
It's my fault?
Yeah.
It is my fault. I take full responsibility for that, and I said that. What I'm going to do, see how it is right there? I'm going to probably add more chicken broth too to make it more like a saucy one, but that's it. That's really it. I mean, these are the toppings I'm going to chop up later to put on top. An avocado, more lime, cilantro, chopped onion, and a chopped jalapeno, and then I bought like a Mexican mixed cheese to put on top of it, and that's what we're having for dinner. So that's it. That's easy peasy. It's going to cook on high for 4 to 5 hours. And when we come back on this, we'll have the taste test. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. What else, Bill? Check out the press conference. And what's the other one? In the Clinch. Oh, and by the way, I met Chris Duncan. Prince the Problem Duncan when I was in Scotland. I don't know if I said that last week, did I? I was so tired when I came back. But I did. I met him, and I'm going to tag him in this because he fights in Vegas. We live in Vegas. We're a Scottish family. I told him whenever he got homesick, he could give us a call. Thank you. We'll be back with the taste test. Read between the lines. Welcome to Mama Debz Kitchen. We are back with my Crockpot green chili chicken, whatever I called it. Green chili chicken. Green chicken. See, look at this. Okay, look at this. It's so good. It smells so good, doesn't it, Bill?
Yeah.
And then Tori came over. She's not on camera right now. She came over and she made rice So we poured it over rice. And in this bowl, this is Eric's little taste tester bowl because he's going to dinner tonight, which pisses me off, but that's okay. If we put cilantro, oh, that's Billy's bowl. Eric's got avocado. Come on, Eric. Asshole. Just kidding. Make sure you get chicken and everything in that bite. We put lime, avocado, onions, cilantro on his. Billy doesn't like avocado, so.
Did you put lime in the coconut?
In the coconut? You said
Coconut.
coconut.
I had to hear myself.
Good.
What do you taste in it?
Avocado, chicken,
In the chicken?
onion. In the chicken?
Yeah.
Like some green salsa or something?
Yeah.
Does it taste good enough not to ditch your mom's dinner that she made for you?
Definitely not.
Specifically for you?
I know. His girlfriend's coming to town, or she's in town, and they're going to dinner, so he's eating the little bowl to make me happy.
Pretty well.
Hey, Bill, I want you to taste it. So, Bill, Eric, you hold the camera for a minute. He's really, like, you know him. He's like Mikey. He won't eat it. He hates everything.
Who?
You.
Cares?
Yeah.
Yeah, who the fuck is Mikey?
It's a commercial from when I grew up. Only people from the
I have
70s.
everything in here but avocado.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, that's good.
You like it?
I like it.
It smells good.
I do.
He does. He's eating it. Okay. Well, there you go. I will post the recipe. Next week, Tori's going to be on with me, and we're going to do, not next week, 2 weeks. Sorry. Tori's going to be on with me, and we're going to do holiday, right? Holiday treats and maybe cocktails. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Enjoy it. I'm going to post the recipe.